I recently started looking at YOLOv7-tiny. All of my prior projects typically use YOLOv3, V4, or one of the other tiny variants. Training with Darknet and YOLOv7-tiny is quite a bit slower than what I'm used to. On the exact same dataset and hardware, NVIDIA RTX 3090, YOLOv4-tiny at 768 by 576 took 3 hours to train when max batches was set to 20K. Meanwhile, YOLOv7-tiny at the same resolution took 9 hours to train when max batches was set to 20K. The charts look significantly different. When training with the 80 class MS Coco dataset, the claim is that YOLOv7 is both faster and more precise than the equivalent YOLOv4 configuration. As you can see from this video, with my 19 class playing card dataset, the results look very similar. On the left, YOLOv4-tiny takes approximately 4 milliseconds for inference. On the right, YOLOv7-tiny takes approximately 5 milliseconds for inference. So in my case, YOLOv4-tiny is still faster than YOLOv7-tiny. I'm using RTX 3090, CUDA 11.8, and CUDNN 8.4, all running on Ubuntu 2004. I won't pause the video on all the differences, but here are some obvious ones. With YOLOv4-tiny, the confidence levels are at or close to 100%, while the ones with YOLOv7-tiny don't quite reach 100%. On blurry objects, YOLOv4-tiny is picking things up correctly, even though I did not annotate any blurry objects, while on YOLOv7-tiny, some mistakes are made or objects are being missed. I was using Darknet from AlexiAB's GitHub repo to train, not the Python scripts from Wan Kin Yu. Apologies if I've mispronounced your name. I'm still hopeful that AlexiAB will modify Darknet to bring the necessary changes into the C++ codebase. I am uncertain if this may be the reason why I'm not seeing measurable improvements in any of my neural networks when I switch from V4 to V7. As always, I hope this video was useful. If you want to discuss further, please join the Darknet YOLO Discord. A link is included in the video description below.